app. Look, I just got to tell you guys, I haven't put any effort into this, okay? So please, it's going to look better if you want this to look better. So there you go, KAS, that's just the icon I put up there just for starters. And this is the opening screen, and as you can see, there's contacts, a map, and about, and I've used a coffee cup because Sheba's always got coffee, and products. The thing is, the opening screen will be hardwired so that all they have to do is press this button and it will call your ordering line immediately. And if they press this email, it will email their order immediately. So we'll move on, and it's got the map to show you where you are. And look, I just cut and pasted this straight from your website. Obviously, it's got to look better than that. You can look at the products. The whole idea is to have the picture of the printer where I've got these, but this will have to do for now. The buyer or the person that's interested identifies the printer. As I said, guys, this is just original. It takes me a little while to dress it up. And then what we've got here is you can put any advertising that you want to say about the ink for that printer. Then they press ink here, and this shows all the inks that are available. Now we want to make this useful, and also the App Store will not accept it unless there's some use to it. So they click this, and look, as I said, this is not professional, but the whole idea is that you'll put your prices here, they will key their quantities here, and it will automatically add up. But to make it useful, we want to put the OEM price or underneath here, you know, the equivalent 1 litre bulk price here, and tell them, look, this is your saving. Again, you know, it's an iPhone app, so they can always click back or click forward. No big deal, don't want to, I think you get the picture. Anyway, look, I had great fun doing this, and really, I think your choice of black, white and orange is just so striking. See you guys.